Good morning Year 6 and welcome to Wednesday's maths lesson. Today we are going to be finding the area of a triangle. And just like with the parallelogram yesterday, there are two pieces of information you need to know to find the area of a triangle. You need to know about the base and you need to know about the height. For example, in this triangle, the base is 6 centimetres and the height is 3 centimetres. To find the area, I'm going to use this formula. I need to find half of the base and I need to times that by the height. Now for this triangle here, the base is 6 centimetres and half of 6 is 3. The height is also 3 centimetres. So I'm going to do 3 times 3 and I find that the area is 9 centimetres squared. Let's have a little look at this triangle here. The base again is 4 centimetres. We need to have a think about where the height is here. We're looking for the height of the point above the base. So we're not looking here at the length of this side, we're looking at the height here. Let's say that's 5 centimetres there. To find the area of the triangle, I'm going to do half of the base. The base is 4, half of 4 is 2, so I'm going to do 2 times 5 and that gives me 10 centimetres squared. For this triangle here, again we've got the base. We need to work out the height of the point above the baseline. It might help if I just make this baseline a little bit longer. Almost like you imagine it standing up on the table, and we're looking for the height of the point above the baseline. That's that bit here. Let's imagine that this is 6 centimetres. Right, to find the area of this triangle here, I'm going to have to do half of the base times the height. Half of 3 is 1.5 and I'm going to have to times that by 6 to get my answer. Don't worry if you can't do that in your head. A little short multiplication will help you get it easily. 5 times 6 is 30. 1 times 6 is 6, add 3 is 9. So my area here is 9 centimetres squared. Your task today is to go and find some triangles in your house, measure the base and height and work out the area of those triangles and write them down in your exercise book. I know some of you don't have rulers, so I'm going to show you what to do if you don't have a ruler to measure with. I'm going to find the area of this triangle, but instead of measuring it in centimetres, I'm going to measure it in pieces of pasta. So I want to know how many pieces of pasta can I fit along the base. I'm going to work that out. So that's 1 piece of pasta, that's 2 pieces of pasta, 3, 4, that's just a little bit smaller than 5, but I'll round it to the nearest piece of pasta and I'll say that this is 5 pieces of pasta along the base. Now I need to do the same thing for the height, so I'll put my piece of pasta down. 1, 2, 3. So the height of this triangle is 3 pieces of pasta. To work out the area, I'm going to do half of the base. Half of 5 is 2.5. And I'm going to multiply it by the height, which was 3 pieces of pasta. And when I multiply those together, I get 7.5. When we're measuring area, we always measure in square units, like centimetres squared or metres squared. So the unit for my area of the triangle here will be 7.5 pieces of pasta squared.